So Thomas Jefferson once said, "I find that the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have." So you're in step 5 at the end of step 5. It's been a long road in this masterclass, but we have a few more steps to go. And the more you work, the harder you work, the more luck you may seem to have. Well, let's work a little bit harder now to get to step 6, which is way past halfway through this 8-step checklist. And step 6 is going to be about your computer, your phone, about being an expert, legal resources, marketing to real estate agents, different revenue streams, and customer service. So I'll see you in about a week. Do your homework assignments, and we'll go to step 6. Okay, now do step 5 homework right now. I'll see you in a little bit in step 6.